Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the Google Maps temperature display to Celsius when you're using the Google Maps app. So I'm on the iPhone, I'm using Google Maps, and in the top right there is a profile picture. Click in there and then it's going to give us a bunch of different options right here. Go to the gear icon in settings, press in there, and then down, scroll down a little bit until you find using maps. And then the fourth option down, it says temperature units. Click in there, and currently it's switched to automatic. It'll display whichever temperature that Google Maps thinks is appropriate. But if you're someone that just likes using Celsius, then go to Celsius, and whenever you're using Google Maps from now on, it will display all of the temperature settings in Celsius. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below as well. Thanks.